Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. If you are seeing notifications on your Mac indicating that your system has viruses, then it is important to address it promptly. So, in order to delete it, simply open your MacBook and go to the any web browser you are seeing this notification from. Now we are here opening the Safari web browser. Now inside Safari, simply tap on the Safari icon available in the top left corner and tap on the account or settings. After you tap on the settings, all you have to do is tap on the websites option available there, and you will get to see the list of websites or list of web pages you have been getting viruses from. And simply all you have to do is tap on the list and simply tap on the remove option available in the bottom, and it will delete all the unnecessary websites that's bringing virus to your devices. Now after this, all you have to do is go to the Apple icon in the top left corner, tap on the system settings, and now in system settings simply go to the software update and ensure that your Mac OS is up to date. Similarly, update all your installed applications to their latest version. Developers often release updates to patch security flaws and improve overall performances. Now after this, simply go to the notifications option available there and verify if the notification is coming from a legitimate source. Genuine antivirus software or macOS itself may flag viruses, but be cautious of fake alerts or scam that mimic system notifications. Avoid clicking on any links or buttons within the notification until you have confirmed its legitimacy. Now, all you have to do is restart your Mac. After taking all the above steps, restart your Mac. This can help finalize any changes and ensure that your system is running smoothly. Keep an eye out for any recurring virus notifications or unusual behavior on your Mac. If the issue persists, consider seeking assistance from Apple support or a professional technician. So in order to restart, simply tap on the Apple icon in the top left corner, tap on the restart, and it will restart your device. So that's it guys. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.